Hello everyone. Now let us see in this lecture from question number 11. See first question number 11. Find the equation of line which has y-intercept 4 and parallel to 2x minus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. Find the coordinate of the point where it cut the x-axis. Okay. So find the equation of line which has y-intercept 4. So first we have given y-intercept. Y-intercept we denote with C, so C is given 4. Okay, and line is parallel to this line. So I will say that slope of a required line, which I will say that M is equals to slope of 2x minus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. So now 2x minus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. This implies that this 3y is equals to 2x minus 7. This implies that y equal to 2 divided by 3 times x minus 7 divided by 3. So you have y is equals to 2 divided by 3x minus 7 by 3. We have lines are parallel. Y-intercept is 4 and line is parallel to this. So therefore, as per problem, therefore I will say that M is equals to 2 divided by 3. So therefore I will say, therefore equation of line with slope equal to 2 upon 3 and y-intercept is equals to 4. Y-intercept 4 is y equal to mx plus c, that is y equal to 2 divided by 3x plus c. The value of c is 4, so better I will write 4 here. Now we can multiply each term by 3, so that is I can say that 3y equal to 2x plus 4 3 is 12. Okay, now the second part is that find the coordinate of the point where it cut the x-axis. Okay, so that is x-intercept, I will say that. So for x-intercept, now for x-intercept what we do, we put y is equals to 0. So therefore I have 0 is equals to 2x plus 12. This implies 2x is minus 12. This implies x is minus 12 divided by 2 is equals to minus 6. So the question is, find the coordinate of the point where it cut the x-axis. So finally I will say that therefore equation of required line is 3y equal to 2x plus 12 and it cut x-axis at, now it cut x-axis at minus 6 comma 0. So at this point it will cut the x-axis. So I got the point where it cut the x-axis as well as I got the equation of line. Okay, so now this question was little lengthy. Now in the 12th problem, find the equation of a straight line perpendicular to line this with y-intercept minus 3. So first let us say this 2x plus 5y plus 7 equal to 0. This is given line. So from here you can say that 5y equal to minus 2x minus 7. So this gives y equal to minus 2 divided by 5 minus 7. So therefore I have m1, say this is m1, equal to minus 2 divided by 5. Now let I will say slope of required line m. So therefore you have m into m1 equal to minus 1, because it is given that they are perpendicular. So therefore m into m1 is minus 2 divided by 5 is equals to minus 1. So this minus minus will cancel, and I can say that m is equals to 5 divided by 2. And y-intercept is also given. Y-intercept is equals to c is equals to minus 3 is given. So therefore equation of required line with slope is equals to 5 by 2 and y-intercept equal to minus 3. So you have given y-intercept minus 3 is y is equals to mx plus c. So that is 5 divided by 2x minus 3. This is y. Now multiply each term by 2. So therefore here we can say that 2y is equals to 5x minus 6. That is 5x minus 2y minus 6 is 0. So this is our required line, equation of required line. Now here I have find the equation of a straight line perpendicular to this and having y-intercept as this. That means intercept, what intercept I will get here, the same intercept I have for the required line. So here I will say that first let us say this 3x minus 4y plus 12 equal to 0. So from here let us first find what is slope. So 4y is equals to, you can say that 3x plus 12, and y is equals to 3 divided by 4 times x plus 12 divided by 4. So y is equals to 3 divided by 4x plus 3. So therefore m1 I will say that m1 equal to 3 divided by 4. Okay. If m is slope of required line, then m into m1 is minus 1. So therefore m into 3 divided by 4 is minus 1. Therefore m is equals to minus 4 divided by 3. So value of m is minus 4 by 3. Next there is one more line, and the y-intercept of that line is the y-intercept of our required line. So I will write second equation, 2x minus y plus 5 is 0. 2x minus y plus 5 equal to 0. This implies y is equals to 2x plus 5. So here I have y-intercept is equals to 5. So for required line also y-intercept I will say is equals to c is equals to 5. Therefore equation of line with slope m is equals to minus 4 by 3, m equal to minus 4 by 3 and slope, not slope, and y-intercept, I will say that y-intercept is equals to 5 is y equal to mx plus c, that is y is equals to minus 4 divided by 3 times x plus 5. So I will multiply by 3 on both the sides. So we will get 3y is equals to minus 4x plus 3 5 are 15. So that is we have 4x plus 3y, 4x plus 3y minus 15 is equals to 0. So 4x plus 3y minus 15 is equals to 0 is, I will say, equation of the line which I have to find out. Now the next question is find the equation of line which is parallel to this and passing through this. So again here the line given is 3x minus 2y is equals to minus 4. So from here you can say that 2y is equals to 3x plus 4. So y is equals to 3 divided by 2 times x plus 4 divided by 2. So therefore I will have m1 is equals to 3 divided by 2. Required line is parallel to this line. So required line is parallel to this line. Therefore m, that is slope of required line, will also be equal to 3 divided by 2. So m is equals to 3 divided by 2. Therefore I will say that equation of required line is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Now why I use this formula? Because it is given that required line passes through 0, 3. So here we can say that line passes through 0, 3. So as it passes through 0, 3, therefore we can say that y minus 3 is equals to m, which is 3 divided by 2, into x minus x1 is 0. So therefore here we have 2y minus 6 is equals to 3x. So therefore 3x minus 2y plus 6 is equals to 0. 3x minus 2y plus 6 is equals to 0 is my required line. Yes. Okay, 14th one. Now the 15th problem is find the equation of line passing through this and parallel to this. Now you can solve this problem. As the required line is parallel to this line, the slope of required line will be same as slope of this line, and it is passing through this point. So you can use the formula y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1, and thus you can get the answer. Okay, in short, what I will say that the equation will be, in short, I am doing in short. Okay, you have to do in detail. Here slope m, which what you will get is actually minus 3 divided by 5, and the point is 0, 4. So therefore required equation is y minus 4 is equals to minus 3 divided by 5 x minus 0. So this will give me 5y minus 20 is equals to minus 3x. That is, this will give me 3x plus 5y minus 20 is equals to 0. 3x plus 5y minus 20 equal to 0 will be your required answer. Yes. So let us stop here. We will meet in next lecture and see few more questions. Thank you.